how to download Need for Speed Most Wanted on PC. First, open a web browser. I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. And search for Steam. Steam is a game marketplace and launcher. Go to the top right of the Steam website and click on Install Steam. Then click on the Install Steam button to download the setup file. Open your File Explorer and install Steam just like any other application. After signing in or creating an account, go to the top left of Steam and click on Store. Search for Need for Speed Most Wanted. Once you find it, click on it and scroll down. Keep in mind that Need for Speed is a paid game, so click on Add to Cart and then View My Cart. From there, proceed with the purchase by clicking Continue to Payment, selecting your payment method, and entering your payment details. After purchasing, go to your library at the top, find Need for Speed, and click on it. Then click on Install. Choose where you want to install the game, and click Install again. You'll need to accept the user license agreement, and once done, the game will start downloading and installing automatically. After the download and installation are complete, the pause button will change to play, and you can click it to launch the game. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.